Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel और जो लोग नए हैं मेरे चैनल पे let me introduce myself. My name is मुस्कान कुरैशी and today आपको शॉक लगने वाला है because I have found not just dresses. Those dresses are literally like what? It's a warning. This dress might just steal your heart. So watch it on your own risk. If you're looking for a simple but the dress, guys, this is the one. So guys, this pretty dress is made of the material cotton, hence it's very comfortable. It's a body hugging dress, but it's not that tight. It's very comfortable to wear and it's very soft actually. The fit of this dress is totally giving me the princess and Pinterest vibes. ऐसा लग रहा है ये dress लिटरली मैंने Pinterest से लिया हुआ है. You can add this red hair bow band. It matches the dress perfectly. I bought it from Meesho itself. This bow is actually giving me that feminine touch without doing too much, and it is actually looking very cute. And if you want to give that luxury touch to this outfit, you can definitely go with this metallic silver handbag. I know it's a small mini bag, but it is a statement to overall look. This dress is giving me the Zara vibes on Meesho budget. So this is a denim dress with knee length and has a flare in the bottom, and it is very pretty. It is so flattering. Let me tell you one thing, for this denim knee length dress, the price all around is 2000, 2500, but you won't believe I got it in very cheap price. Do check it out. The best part about this dress is it is very versatile. You can definitely pair up it with heels, sneakers, boots. You can pair this dress with either this clutch. I love it. I can pair this one with so many dresses. And other than that, you can go with this pearl headband. I'll just wear it and show. See, this is so, it is giving me that retro look, like totally. Pearls are actual luxury. When you wear it, you look like a queen. Literally guys, मेरी आंखें ना दुख जाती है the way I scroll and find hidden gems, but I can't deny the fact that I love finding the hidden gems out of the Meesho, where no one, like, nobody knows that this is there. This is there. The way I scroll and I find out, I don't think someone might be spending so much of time on that particular application as much as I do, but that's my job. So yeah, let's go on another dress. Fairy vibes 100%. So it's a long flowy frock and it has white and pink strips on it, and it is actually looking very dreamy. It is giving the vibes of romantic, soft, floaty, and it's like I'm ready to twirl through a meadow. If you see the neckline is halter, but if you want you can also make it tube by removing this one. Okay, like you can definitely, because पीछे से ना ये ऐसे इलास्टिक जैसा है, सो ये ट्यूब ड्रेस भी बन सकता है प्रॉपरली अगर आप ये सिर्फ निकाल दोगे तो फ्रॉम हियर, एंड देन इट लुक्स लाइक अ बो एंड देन फ्लोटी ड्रेस. If we talk about the material is very light, very soft and breezy, but it is not वो पतला वाला see through it वाला type का कपड़ा नहीं है. It is very good quality of a clothes. You can definitely count it for summer days, but don't forget to apply the sunscreen all over or else you will go tan. You can definitely style this dress with this pearl headband. Currently I'm wearing two pearl headband. One is this and one is this for this. See, this one is very pretty. It is giving me the main character vibe. इस pearl headband ने totally पूरा मेरा look बदल दिया है. I will show you if I remove this one. पूरा मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो vibe ही उतर गया है ना. This is how it looks like, and even this one I got from Meesho. Okay. Other than this, you can also go with this bag. This is a pearl bag. पूरा पूरा पर्ल से बना हुआ है. अंदर भी कोई क्लोथ क्लोथ नहीं है. सी, अंदर कोई क्लोथ नहीं है. न्यूज़पेपर है, अंदर कोई क्लोथ नहीं है. पूरा पर्ल से बना हुआ है ये. मतलब समटाइम्स आई फील दिस इज टू मच टू गेट फॉर, मतलब इतने कम प्राइस में मिलने जैसा चीज नहीं है यार ये. मतलब कितनी मेहनत से बनाया होगा किसी ने, पूरा एक एक पर्ल लेके, और हमें बहुत सस्ते में मिल रहा है ये ऑन मीशो. आई लाइक द हैंडल. See, it's giving the whole vibe. And also I got this one, like you can remove this all of this white, ठीक है, and then you can wear this if it is like a evening party or evening event, you can wear this one and you're good to go. And अगर आप ये halter वाला ये चीज निकालते हो and if you make it tube, you can wear a golden neck piece. I have one. Let me try if it looks good. So this is the one. This is something like you can wear in any shape, and it has a snake. You can carry one with you. You don't need any friends for it. See, but this is a snake that will make you look good and it won't hurt you. So I'll just try to style it 1 second. I'm already wearing one bow chain, but अभी मैं इसके ऊपर ही पहन के देखती हूँ how it looks. थोड़ा ऊपर करते हैं. See, अगर हम ये white वाला ये सब कुछ उतार दे, अभी मैंने ये हेयर स्टाइल बिगड़ जाएगा मेरा, सब उतार नहीं रही हूँ. अच्छा दिख रहा है ये, एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है. This accessories are looking way too expensive. मतलब ये यार बहुत सही दिख रहा है ये. You can also wear this one over here. अभी मैं इसको यहाँ पे पहन नहीं पा रही because I can't wear it like with one hand. It's impossible to wear. So yeah, but you can wear it like in your hands also. Here, यहाँ पे ऐसे पहन सकते हो आप. You can wear it in your hands. अभी मैंने ऐसे ऐसे करके घुमा के पहन लिया है, but ठीक है. अच्छे से आप करोगे स्टाइल तो ये अच्छा दिखेगा. आप इसको है ना एक्चुअली कमर में भी पहनते, मतलब ये ड्रेस के साथ नहीं, बट इफ यू आर वेयरिंग सम अदर ड्रेस यू कैन वेयर इट कमर पे भी. अच्छे से पहनोगे ना बहुत प्यारा दिखेगा ये. मतलब इसको गले में, हाथ में, यहाँ पे और यहाँ पेट पे, कमर पे, सॉरी कमर पे पहन सकते हो. एक्चुअली ये बहुत सही चीज है. गो फॉर इट. मेरा हॉल ड्रेस का है, मैं एक्सरसाइज पे चली गई हूँ. सो next up is this black puffball dress, and this surprised me. I love this. It's a knee length black puffball dress, super flattering. If you just add a can in this dress, you are definitely going to look like a princess from 12 Dancing Princess. If you have watched that movie, definitely it will give you that vibe. It's very cute, it's very comfortable, as well as it's properly holding everything in shape. Like if you see this design on the stomach like this, and then puff comes out, I was literally expecting very less at this price point, but definitely I got a very luxurious dress. I am actually happy with this. This dress is the star of the hall, hot pink satin and seriously flattering. It is giving me that Barbie vibes totally. Can we just talk about the flare at the bottom? Like, wait, who gave this dress to look so extra and so dramatic? Overall, what I like, just ignore the background sound, construction is going on. This dress is super flowy, it's nothing like tight or clingy anywhere. How come we can ignore the color? This hot pink color is bold but not harsh. It's fun, fresh and instantly brighten up the whole look. See, I know that bodycon always turns the head, but this dress will do it too without making you uncomfortable. If you notice, I'm just wearing glasses and a neck piece, but even then it's looking too much extra. I'll just remove this stuff and I'll show you that this dress is enough on its own. You don't have to, put any add-ons on it. See, do you really think that it needs anything extra? Like you don't even need earring for that. I'm not wearing any. Okay, and this is just, I'm not removing this because I have made the hairstyle like that. If I remove this, my hair will come on my face and it will look ugly, so आप देख नहीं पाओगे. So that's the reason I'm not removing that. But इसके अलावा अगर आप देखोगे तो I'm just wearing makeup and this dress. That's it, and it's doing its work. What else do we need, girls? But yeah, I like this. मतलब मुझे ऐसे लगा कि I didn't had a dress to pair this up with, so I thought of wearing this one. I'll just wear it once. Oh my god. मतलब I am feeling like I am in the Barbie box, right? Even this one I had bought from Meesho. So if you are like in love with pink as much as I am, I'll definitely give you the link. You can buy it for you girls. So yeah, that's all.